CELU Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Celularity Stock, I probably pronounced that name wrong. But yeah, like I've done 37,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And generally speaking, with Celularity Stock, it's just, you know, there's a lot of variables that play a hand here, but for me, I'm just not willing to be like the bullish guy here unless I really start seeing some proper full candle shifts above $2. And it's really not that far away. It's like we're 135. Now I know like it's a big discrepancy, but like at least that's what's been working for me, and the data shows it, right? My perception. So if you want access to my blueprint after that I've pretty much finalized and refined over 4.5 years and having spent fucking 5 figures on mentors, then just click the first link in the description to have access to the blueprint. But other than that, if you want to make more money in a simple way, that's it. Click the first link below.